Sons of Scotland! I am William Wallace! No, it can't be! William Wallace is 7 feet tall! I have heard that if he were here, he'd consume the English with fireballs from his eyes and bolts of lightning from his earth! I am William Wallace, and I see here before me a whole army of my countrymen, here in defiance of tyranny! What would you do without freedom? Would you fight? Oh! We'll fight! No! Against that, we will run, and we will live!